What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nour, and today I bring you another special video, the Sunday stock watch list, where I give you the economic calendar, the earnings calendar, all the stocks that I like, all the stocks that I dislike, everything I'm watching for the week, just so I can be ready and set for this week. So before we go ahead and start this video, make sure you hit that like button. I'll wait for you to do that. Subscribe. I'll wait for you to do that. And then comment down below what other things you would like to see on this channel. What other stocks you have on your watch list. Maybe I like it. I might add it to this week. Give you a little shout out. Also, please don't fall for the scams in the comments. People have the WhatsApp. I'll never tell you to contact me on WhatsApp. A lot of people hit me up for Discord. If you're looking to join the chat or something, just go to my Instagram. I'm verified on there. I only have 3 Instagrams: Nour Trades, Trade Like Nour, and StockHours. All the other stuff, please don't fall for it. A lot of people hit me up all the time like, hey, I sent you Bitcoin. Like, bro, come on. Anyways, I have a vlog ready for you guys. I think it's very nice. I'm looking at it on this screen right now. You guys, if you guys get 200 to 300 likes, I'll drop the video this week. Maybe even tomorrow. I might even drop it tomorrow. So let me see what you guys got. Let me see the power. Let's go ahead and get started with this video. So we got the FOMC announcement out the way. I'm so happy about that. Usually those are rough weeks as far as like trying to find a play and all that good stuff, but it was insanely great, which is very scary. You got insane moves, big earnings, and all that good stuff. But anything I see here as far as what to pay attention for. Tuesday, you have international trading goods and services. You also have consumer credit at 3 p.m. Wednesday, you have John Williams speaking. I don't really care for that. EIA petroleum status reports at 10:30 on Wednesday. Thursday, jobless claims. We know that. Natural gas at 10:30. That's normal. Fed balance at 4:30. That's normal. Friday, we do have consumer sentiment. And then we have a treasury statement at 2 p.m. And then Patrick Harker speaks. I'm not really interested in that. But anyways, Monday, we have Pinterest, Activision, Chegg. As far as things that move, that's the only things I see. Tuesday, BP, Chipotle moves. Nothing really there on Tuesday. Wednesday, Uber, CVS, Disney, Affirm, Robinhood. Let's see. Anything there? Not really. Thursday, Pepsi, PayPal, Cloudflare, Lyft, Expedia. Those, move sometimes. Toyota, Hilton. Nothing much. Not as there's nothing as close as last week. I mean, Disney is probably the biggest stock here as far as like importance, as far as people who care about earnings and stuff like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this watch list. Last week was absolutely insane. If I put this on the 5-day, you guys can see what the hell happened this week. Tesla at a low of 162, hit a high of 199 by the end of the week. I am watching Tesla for this week. I'm watching this 200 level. How am I looking to play? I'm looking to play that 199 level, most likely into 200. And then after 200, I'm looking at 203. And then 203, I have 205. And then from there, we'll see how that goes. As far as the downside, we do have a gap, but it's very far away for now. We'll see. As far as right now, I'm looking at the upside. That's why you guys need to turn my alerts on for YouTube and Trade Like Nour on Instagram and Nour Trades, because I do update throughout the week. So Sunday night, I might have all the upside plays, and then by Monday, I'm like, okay, time to switch the plan. I'm looking at the downside plays. I'm just looking, and this is what I do throughout the week, and I update you guys on my social media. That's why it's important to have those alerts on so you guys can see what's going on. I do have a Twitter, Real Nourada. I upload all, my charts throughout the week. But Tesla, I'm watching the upside, 199, 200, 203, and then 205. Meta, it's pretty far away. It would have been sick to see if this closed above 190, but this closed below 190. I was going to play the 197 to the upside, then 200, but it's fine. For every upside play, there's a downside play. There is a gap below 180. We were holding that very well pre-market this week. Due to the earnings, they smashed it and they reported they were buying back. So you guys can see we were kind of just holding 180 pre-market. When pre-market, when market opened, we dropped down to 180, bounced off of it, and this literally ripped up to 197. So I am watching upside on Meta, which we're pretty far away, and I'm watching the downside on Meta at 180. So for the people that love gap plays, there's one for you. Google, pretty far away as well. I'm not really too interested, but I've seen a few people talk about this, the 108 to the upside. This also had earnings this week. I believe there's a gap. Yeah, there's a gap. Wow, this gap started Friday, 105 to the downside, hit a low of 102. There's still more to this gap down to 101. So for the people that love gap plays, this is one to pay attention to. Am I going to play it? Most likely not. So I'll be honest with you, I probably won't play it, but I know a lot of you love these cheap contract stocks. Netflix, this also pulled back insanely, but it pulled back in a channel this 1 year. So we'll see how that goes. There's also a lot of big option flows coming out for months in advance here for the downside. So a lot of big players here are betting that we come back down. So we'll see how this goes. Is this the last? Did we run out of steam? We'll see how that goes. So Google, Meta, we talked about Tesla. Now we have Netflix. As far as the upside, yeah, I'm not really too interested until we get to 380, but we're so far away. The trend is to the downside if you guys like those. I'm not going to be playing that. I'm going to kind of stick and be safe since I had a crazy week. I'm going to stick to a lot of safer plays this week. NVIDIA also pulled back insanely. I wanted to play this 220, but if we do, like I said, last week, I couldn't even have told you how far we were going to go. I gave you guys the watch list last Sunday, and it was an insane watch list. We smacked it, but I did not think we were going to push that far. So can this be another week where I don't think we're going to push that far and we end up getting these 219, 220 levels on NVIDIA? We could. That's why I'm, watching this just in case, letting you guys know what I'm watching. Just in case we get these levels. So yeah, I'm watching this 220 level on the video. It'd be a nice, very nice, push. Obviously, I don't want Monday to push this all the way up to 219. I won't be playing that. I want throughout the week we'll grind higher, and then Wednesday, Thursday get this play. Apple is actually something I'm interested in. This held up very nicely on Friday after earnings. They dropped. They digested the numbers, and then this ended up pushing pre-market into open, and this went insane. Right, so I'm watching this 157.50 level. I really do like it. If I put this on the 4-hour, holding up very, very well. As far as how much room does this have, there is this double top here on Apple right around that. Even if I put it on the 1 year, you'll see what I'm talking about. 157.50. It could even line up. This is pretty close. What is this? This is higher, 158.74. So yeah, I'm watching this 157.50 level. From there, my room is up to 160. We'll see how we get into that and how I'll take that trade. Those contracts are usually cheap as well, but I do really like Apple. So Tesla and Apple are kind of my most realistic plays for this week. And then the last play I'm looking at is AMD, right? A lot of people are watching this 90 level, 89, 90 level. I am watching it as well. These contracts are so cheap by the time it comes to Wednesday, so it's very hard for me to play. But it is something to look at, see what I can do with it. If you guys like AMD, I am watching that upside play at 89, 90 level. As far as where the market's at right now, we've been ripping. It's very disrespectful. It's insane. But yeah, as far as the market, people, as far as the flows I'm seeing, people are betting on this to come back down. This is the ending. You'll see a lot of tweets of, Michael Burry saying, during each, recession, we always get these 30% pops, 20% pops, and all that good stuff. So something to keep in mind, do not be biased to one side. That's the one thing I'm going to tell you this week. Do not be biased. You get biased, you will pay that price for it. So I have a level on NQ, 12,970 is my resistance on this. Please pay attention to this. You can see we've gotten rejected there. So please pay attention. If we can get past that, we can look at this next level, obviously 13,000, and the next level to be, worried about is 13,182. So something to pay attention, 13,180. Do not be biased. You will pay that price for it very heavy. If you do, we can't drop. We can't drop. We've been pushing. We're in a bull market. This is why people get smoked, especially people who liked it on the short side. Tesla went from 102 within 20 days. This is at 199. A lot of people got smoked. Let me tell you that. That's a short squeeze. Meta also, a lot of people got smoked on that. So be very patient. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will be updating you guys throughout the week on my social media. Make sure you follow me. Turn your alerts on. You can make some money being smart, learning. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Remember, 200 to 300 likes. I'll get you guys a vlog tomorrow. Peace. Yeah, hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below whatever things you want to see on this channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.